I'm holding a butterfly. My first time holding a butterfly. I think there's something wrong with it though, but it's my first time holding a butterfly. Oh no, it's okay. Must have got hit by a car. Let's see what's wrong with you. Looks like
Let's pull it over to the side of the road.
missing a couple of legs. And its wings look weird.
Just put it in the grass.
Must have got hit by something. Well, I can see its tongue. Should I bring it home?
Why?
Oh, it's crawling on my pants! Because I could put it in the backyard so, well, actually no. It's more free out here, but I don't want it to be in the road. Maybe it's thirsty. Hey, buddy. Want some water? Look. Oh, it's looking straight into my eyes. Calm down. Poor thing. I don't want to go back into the road.
It's so weird how it looks. It's like it's made out of paper or something.
Yeah, their wings are incredibly delicate. That's why.
It's so weird.
I'm pretty sure that's why when they fly, it doesn't really make a noise.
It's so weird to think that that's like a living being.
Hey, don't go to the road. No, you'll drown. You'll drown. I probably look like a crazy person right now. Are you taking a video still?
Yeah.